your perfect day.
Hey guys, what's up? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, wherever you may be. Welcome back. I know it's been a while, but I'm back and I'm here today, guys, to share with you a shrimp cocktail, Mexican style, cóctel de camarón. I know there's different ways of doing it, and I am going to be doing it my way or my style, my version. Maybe it's the same as some you might have seen, maybe it's not. The thing is that it's good, it's very good, and you don't need that many ingredients, so I mean it's pretty simple. There's no difficulty in doing this shrimp cocktail. It's super easy, and yeah, I would like to share with you guys. And I'm looking down because I have everything here laid out of the ingredients that we'll be using. So yeah, if anything escapes from this or I forgot to put in an ingredient, I'll let you guys know throughout the process of making this. But yeah guys, let's get into our ingredients. All right guys, so here are our ingredients. We'll need a bunch of cilantro, a little bunch, an onion. I'm gonna use red onion because that's all I have, and it's a little one, and so I'm gonna use all of it. But if you guys have the big one, just with half of it. 2 bags of medium cooked, peeled, divined, just with a towel on shrimp. These are already cooked, but if you want to buy raw shrimp, just make sure to cook it and then we'll put it into our cocktail. But I got the ones that are already cooked, just to towel on. The other bag I have it defrosting. I'm gonna put this into defrost, so we'll just take the towel off. 1 cucumber, 5 Roma tomatoes, 3 chiles. I'm using these that are, I'm not sure what they're even called. They look like serrano peppers, but I'm not sure. You could use jalapenos. And if salt, pepper, ketchup, I got the 38-ounce one, and clamato, the tomato cocktail, I got the 2-quart ones, which is 64 ounces. And limes. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna be using because it's gonna go with what comes out, how much onion. So depending on how much onion, I'm just gonna cover the onion. But yeah guys, this is it. Cilantro, onion, cucumber, shrimp, pepper, salt, tomatoes, chiles, ketchup, clamato, and limes. If I'm forgetting something, I'll let you guys know throughout the process. So yeah, let's go. All right guys, first thing first, we'll be chopping our onion, and then we'll be putting it into a plastic little container with squeezed limes. We'll be doing 4 limes, and we'll be setting it aside, and then we'll continue with the cucumber and tomatoes. Alright guys, so I chopped up my onion and put it into this little plastic container with already the lime squeezed, the juice of the limes. I used 4 limes. They had a lot of juice. You just want to evenly cover the onion. I put a little bit of too much lime, but it does not matter. It is still going to be great. So we'll set this aside and we'll go on to our next ingredient. Alright, so here I have the cucumber. It's already peeled. I'm gonna cut it in half and then another half, and I'm gonna be taking out the seeds, de-seeding it for both halves, and then just chopping them into little cubes. And that's it guys, really easy. All right, guys, in this huge container that I have here, or well, this huge bowl, this is where everything is gonna be placed, and it's where our shrimp cocktail is gonna come alive. So I'm gonna add all the ingredients here, the cucumbers and everything we've chopped up. All right, guys, here we'll be chopping off our Roma tomatoes. There'll be 4. All right, here we'll be adding our chiles. All right, guys, I only used half of the bunch of cilantro because it was too much, so I only used half of it. All right, guys, here we have all our veggies mixed up together. As you can see, it looks very good already. It's all mixed up. Now we're gonna add our lime and onion. All right, guys, we went ahead and poured our shrimp with the tail off already, and now to mix. All right, guys, here I'll be pouring in 4 cups of clamato juice into the mixture. And after I put the 4 cups of clamato, I'll be putting 2 cups of ketchup. In the video, it shows that I only put 1 cup of ketchup, but I actually ended up putting 2 cups. So 4 cups of clamato and 2 cups of ketchup. We mix it all together and we get our delicious shrimp cocktail. It's super, super good. I encourage you guys to do it. Give this recipe a try. Tell me what you guys think. But yeah, you could enjoy this dish with saltine crackers or tostadas. I personally like saltine crackers, but it's up to you guys. But yeah, that's it. Really easy recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.